Imagine getting Sony 85mm f1.4 G master quality for less than a third of the price. Well, today I'll be testing out and reviewing the new lens from SIRUI, the Aurora Series 85mm f1.4 autofocus lens. A massive thank you to SIRUI for sending this over for review. If you like what you're about to see, click the link and use the discount code in the description of this video. Before I jump into its specs, take a look at this test video filmed with the Sony FX3 and SIRUI 85mm. What do you guys think of the quality of this lens? At f1.4 produces incredible bokeh, which really is the best feature of this lens. Right now, when you order this product, it comes with a free mist and UV filter, a nice soft case to keep it safe when transporting, a well-built lens hood and rubber ring that makes it easy to take off and put it back on, a lens cap and a rear cap. I have the Sony E-mount version of this lens, but it also comes in Fujifilm X-mount and Nikon Z-mount. There's a USB-C connectivity port at the bottom. It has 67mm filter threading. This lens is designed for full frame cameras, weighs only 540 grams, has 15 aperture blades, 14 elements in 9 groups, and it claims to be dust and waterproof. On the exterior here, it has an autofocus lock button, auto and manual focus switch, an aperture control ring that can click or be switched to declick. Now let's take a closer look to see if the auto manual focusing works well with this lens. So I did a little autofocus test at f1.4 to see how well it could track my face, and it did a decent job. I have my autofocus settings set to slow in camera as I find it generally looks more natural and cinematic. However, it struggled and wouldn't focus on me when I did this next test that you'll see here. When I switched the settings to super responsive and snappy, it locked on no problem. This is just something to keep in mind when using the lens at f1.4. I enjoyed manually focusing as well as the focus ring was smooth. It wasn't very quick like I find with some of my Sony lenses, but I kind of liked it this way. Alright friends, so lastly, let's talk about price. Currently, this is for sale for $499 US, which is just over 700 Canadian dollars on the SIRUI website. I think this is an incredibly inexpensive lens for what it offers. It feels so solid in hand and not a dinky, cheap lens whatsoever, despite it being so lightweight. Well, that is everything for today. If you're a filmmaker and you'd like to see some more resources, click the link in the description and head over to our website. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.